Hey guys, I am back with another pregnancy sort of related video. This is a what's in my hospital bag. So actually as of today, I am 36 weeks pregnant. And at this point, we'll now be going to the doctor every single week. We haven't actually had our 36-week appointment yet because it's had to be pushed back, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, we are to the point where we're going every week. And I want to just be sure I have my bag. And now for any of these appointments that we have here, forward, bags are in a car. So obviously they're not in the car right now, but they will be for our next appointment. Then I might bring them back in, or I might just leave them in the car. I haven't 100% decided yet. So we do have two bags. There's the bag that has like mine and Jacob's clothes. It will have games and some snacks. I just haven't packed the snacks, or well, haven't packed snacks or the games yet, which I guess I could, but it's just gonna be like some card games, little things just in case we're waiting or in a waiting type period. But we have our big duffel, and then I also have another duffel that has like some things for me post giving birth as well as for baby. So I'm gonna start with the bag that's kind of like before baby comes. The last time we were in the hospital for a couple days, I guess technically some of this is also after. It's just really my clothing. But I want to highlight a couple of things. One, I have like one t-shirt in here. Otherwise, I'm just bringing nursing tanks because I wanted to live in these, and I specifically have the ones that have the like kind of built-in pseudo bra. So if somebody were to come in, like family were to visit, I don't feel like I need to put a true bra on per se, but I'm not just all hanging out, if that makes sense. The other thing I want to highlight from this bag is this. I think it's technically a robe, but it's like a sweater material. It's from Stars Above. That was also a Target one as well. But it's just like this rust. It's really squishy and comfy and cozy. I would wear this not at the hospital too, but one, I liked that it wasn't white and that it is a reddish color, you know, just in case. But I could also just throw this on if I got cold. Obviously, we're gonna be giving birth in the summer at this point, but I don't know, it could be cold in there. I could just want to cover up just a little bit. So I have this in there, and then I've got some socks, some no slip grip socks. And then I do have a pair of slippers as well. Just kind of my walking around slippers. Didn't want to bring anything too nice, but those are like the kind of main clothing things. And my going home outfit's like a pair of shorts and a t-shirt, or it might be one of those nursing tanks. I don't know, it depends how hot it is. Depends on my mood too. This is the main bag that I kind of wanted to share with you. I guess I should keep it up here so I can dig out and show you. I guess this is technically also a clothing thing for me. I did get a new robe. This one is actually like longer. I think it's supposed to technically come to like your knees, but I've got short legs, so it comes to like my mid-calf. This is from the brand Pavilla. I don't know. It won't focus. Yeah. But it's just this really pretty green waffle knit. It's lighter than the sweater that I just showed you. So again, I could throw this on, and I just love this color, so I plan to bring this home and wear it around home as well. But I wanted to get a nice new robe. I didn't get a robe with our first one, and I wish that I had a new robe when we went. Okay, these things I just kind of threw in here, so it looks kind of bad. It's my prenatal vitamins, just to take while we're there. And then I also have the Pump Princess supplements as well. Some of these Upspring Milk Flow little drink packets. I don't know that I'll need them or use them there, but I have them if I want to. I'll probably take the prenatal still. But I wanted to have the other one just in case they wanted it. And then I did go ahead and throw in this Frida Mom set. I didn't plan to, but it's the sore nipple set, just in case something happens. It's really painful. I wanted to just have it just in case, okay? I wanted to have it just in case. Oh, I do have a pair of shower shoes. Technically, these are Jacob's size, and they are Jacob's. But since they're just shower shoes, I mean, probably both normal. I don't know how many showers we'll actually take. I know right after giving birth or sometime after giving birth, I'll be taking a shower. But other than that, I don't know how many. So I just threw these in there. If I remember to throw my kind of plain, like shower shoe flip-flops things in, if I remember to do that, then I will throw mine in as well. But at least we have one pair packed. We also have all of our toiletries in this second bag. So that's kind of another thing that we have in here. I do have a claw clip in my like favorite color blue. Like this blue is so pretty. I love green too. Green is also my favorite color, but that is like my favorite color blue. Let's see. This is like our typical travel toiletries bag. It's just split up like this. So I've got the Sol de Janeiro Balm Dia Bright Cream, and then the original Boom Boom Cream. I also have the Balm Dia Bright Shower Gel. I do have a scrunchie, a couple little skincare things like the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Glow Juice and the Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum. And then I also have the Fresh Rose Deep Hydrator. Jacob has a men's body wash and a men's deodorant in here. We just have everything all in here together because it's just easier. He technically has a shave cream in here. I have a little dry shampoo. I've got the Fresh facial cleanser as well as the CeraVe facial cleanser. Sorry, I'm not showing this. Another Dove body wash. Technically, we have a Johnson & Johnson in here because whenever we travel with our toddler, we just have that in here and I just didn't take it out. Now I'm realizing that I don't have shampoo or conditioner in here, but I think I have another thing that has it in there. And then a Lumi deodorant for me. I do also have some makeup in here. It's honestly really not that entertaining. Oh, I do also have a lip balm, my Ageless Agape lip balm. That is mine and my business partner's natural skincare, body care line, makeup line, all of the things. I'll link that down below, or the link is in my description box. But I have the peppermint lip balm in there. It is honestly my favorite lip balm from Ageless Agape. The lip balms are my favorite. I couldn't pick just one. And then I just have some little random makeup-y things in here. I don't know if I'll put on makeup, but it's in there. And then I have this Atelier cologne, little perfume in case I'm feeling spicy and want to put on perfume. I do have that in there. So it's our first shower thing. We do have a brush in, like, floating in this bag as well. Rest of the shower stuff is in this one. It's the one where I'm the bride, but I just love this little bag, so it's from when Jacob and I got married, but I don't care. I use it for travel toiletries. This just has a bunch of random stuff in here. So it's got our toothbrushes, like our travel toothbrushes, toothpaste, a Carmex lip balm. I've got this Method little body wash. I have the Monday Smooth shampoo and conditioner. I have another dry shampoo. This one's from Pureology. I've got the Brio Geo Scalp Revive. I've got a frizz cream. I kind of have it all in here. I also have Pureology Hydrate shampoo and conditioner. Honestly, like I said, these two bags that I just showed you are usually always packed, kind of with this stuff in it, with the exception of like the makeup. So then we could just grab it and go and maybe fill something in if we need it. A couple more things for me, and then I'll get into what I brought for baby. I put in just like one set of like breast pads, in case, I don't know. Honestly, I got them in the Amazon welcome kit that you do whenever, or that you get whenever you get a registry. So I just kind of threw them in there for now. I do have some secret, discreet little underwear things. There's a lot of leaking going on, and honestly, the mesh underwear and the pad didn't really bother me a ton. And I'll wear it if I need to, but it was kind of nice feeling a little bit more put together, a little bit more like myself, less like I'm wearing a huge diaper. And those were very nice. And if anything, I'll use them whenever I get home too. That was one thing that I did do. I used those a lot whenever I got home. And then I also, because I still had extra left over, I used them like to sleep in whenever I eventually got my period back. So have that. Okay, now some stuff for baby. One thing I just have here, we're gonna take a letter board. We took a letter board for our first baby. So I've got the letters in here, and then the letter board is technically separate. It just won't fit in this. I have a couple, actually I have a lot of swaddle options. I brought a lot of options. Okay, so these are all technically different swaddles. I'm bringing this one here because this is the one that we got Owen's picture in. And so I really kind of just want to get her picture in it while we're at the hospital. So that is why I packed that one. But for her own picture, I did put this one on our registry, and it comes with a little matching bow to go with it. So have that for her. Then I also was suckered into buying the Baby Disney little Muslim swaddle, so I'm taking her the Cinderella one. Cinderella is one of my favorite princesses, if not my absolute favorite princess. So bringing that. And then we have this Nemo Halo sleep sack. Owen never liked the Halo sleep sacks, but I thought maybe I would bring it and maybe try it with her and just see. Okay, we have a couple different outfit options. I technically bought this for Owen's first picture. It just ties at the bottom. We didn't end up using it on him, but I figured I have it, I'll try it for her. And it came with a hat and a little bow, so I've got the bow. We have a couple different going home options. One, I don't know how small she'll be, so I do have this preemie onesie packed just in case. It just has little hedgehogs on it. Then we have this little newborn dress, and I have a little bow to go with it. It just depends on what we want to put her in, honestly, and the time that we are allowed to go home. And then this little sister sleeper and a bow. And that is all we have packed for baby and for us. Let me know what you thought down below. Let me know if you think I'm missing anything. As of right now, we haven't gone to the hospital, so I could, in theory, still pack it as long as I get this video up soon enough. But let me know, and I will see you all on my next one. Also, be sure to check out all of my different platforms down below in my reseller, and make sure to check out my other videos as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.